Going on YouTube. So we're working on Shay's car tonight. So as you guys know, we put a new high flow cat on here, and in the process of putting it on, we missed a little hole in the top of the exhaust, and instead of getting underneath there and trying to weld this shit, we're gonna do it the most ghetto, rigged, jigged way ever, and we're gonna use some muffler cement. So this is how to fix a little exhaust leak without getting the welder out. This is really good for putting like new pipes together and stuff. It's pretty good stuff. We're gonna use it to pack inside the hole, and we'll let it sit for 24 hours. But anyways, let me turn the flash on and I'll be right back. We got the flash on. So this is muffler cement. It's avoid callbacks or comebacks. We need our rag now. Where's my mat? Pop, lock, and drop it. You say you're gonna switch your tires from front to back?
I need to.
Watch out. Slide it down there for me. Thank you. Alright. Oh shit. My stomach hurts. Anyways, you can see there's our weld job. Up on top of there, there's a little hole where that welding stick is. Let me crawl in there. I gotta jack this car up some more, so let me get this car off the ground a little bit better, and we'll be back. Alright guys, so Shay has switched her tires. I missed it because I'm retarded. But anyway, she rotated them, put the front and the back in the front. Now she gotta do the other side after I'm done shaking this camera like crazy and putting this muffler cement on these holes, which I think I'm just gonna go all the way around it. I got the car jacked up enough now. Yeah, so let me find a spot to set this up.
Take a shot. Just give me a paper towel, please. There was an extra one sitting on the back of the 240. That's fine. So, how to fix an exhaust leak for very cheap without a welder.
Well, hopefully I haven't moved my phone. Alright guys, I just caked it around there because why the fuck not? You can see we got it all around the top. Same here. It's not really caked on there, it's just a nice coat. So I might as well go all the way around. That's all nice and good welded. Scratched my eye off of that. Oh man, your strap broke. That sucks.
Yeah, the speed bump at work probably broke it. Or not at work, but going to work. I guess that's what's scraping down there.
It's another fix we gotta do.
Damn, I don't think you need to put that fucking much on there.
Mm-hmm.
That's gonna look like shit.
Look like shit. It's supposed to look good.
I don't want to go to emissions and they fail me because it fucking looks like that.
Why would they fail you?
Because they would know I have an exhaust leak.
I doubt it.
They put that fucking mirror up underneath the car when they walk around it.
Thomas J.B. Wells.
That shit.
Huh? So I'm smearing it?
What?
Did you say I'm smearing it?
No.
Oh.
I said they're gonna look at it and say, what the fuck is that shit?
Say it again?
No.
Come on. What did you say?
I said they're gonna look at it and say, what the fuck is that shit? Get them blocks up from the car so I can jack the other side up.
That's not too bad. I want to try to get this back piece back here before you put the car down. Ruby nice. Let's get this back piece back here. Whatever I do with the cap. Bring the light back here.
Ah, fuck. I don't feel like it today. I quit that kind yesterday. Really fun. Where do you need it?
Alright. Let me crawl in here. Oh, right here. Trying to come from behind me. Ow. And hold the camera.
Looks like a poop fly back here flying around.
Poop fly.
Yeah, you know the flies that you see flying around cow shit? They're like the greenish color? Or whatever?
I don't
There's
think
one
they
of them.
want to hear that.
Probably goat turds. Chicken shit.
Mixture of both. In the creek.
I think you got enough on there.
Alright guys, so there's your cheap and easy way to fix an exhaust leak without getting someone to weld it. Muffler cement. Pick it up at your local auto parts store. And if you enjoyed this video, remember to hit that thumbs up button. Share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe if you ain't already subscribed. If you want to support some of the bills, don't forget to check out our Patreon at patreon.com/thatneonshow. See you in the next video tomorrow. Peace out.